Now, we here on Motoring love our job. I mean, who wouldn't love a job that involves traveling all over the world and driving great cars and getting to meet people like you? But I got a bit of video here I want to show you about somebody who loves his job maybe a bit too much. Dave, roll that tape. Now, are you watching this? Can you see what this guy's doing? This cop is on the Granville Street Bridge in Vancouver. It goes over, I don't know, False Creek or Frobisher Bay or someplace. Now, I don't know how many people die on this bridge every day for car crashes, but what's he doing there? He's leaping out into traffic. What is he, some kind of mentalezzo? For those of you who don't read, that's a bullfighter. It looks like he's doing that thing with the, driving the sword into the guy's neck. Or maybe he's a faith healer. Lord, heal this car. I mean, what happens if this driver isn't in fact paying attention? Isn't that cop placing an awful lot of faith in this guy? What if he's gabbing to somebody on his crackberry or drinking his venti latte? Pretty soon that cop is the star in Cop Bowling for Dollars. What the heck is he up to? It's insane. I mean, it's not like this driver of this car is heading off to commit mass murder. He's maybe going 75 in a 60K zone. Who cares? Police officers, we appreciate the fact you put your lives on the line for us every day. But pick which hill you want to die on. This is not worth dying for. I'm Jim Kerr.
If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and share us. We really appreciate it.